1. Introduction to stamina. Running out of breath quickly? Don't worry, you're not alone. Building stamina is a process that anyone can master with the right approach. Stamina is all about how long you can keep going without getting tired. And today, we're going to help you improve that. Let's dive into the top strategies to increase your stamina and make running feel easier and more enjoyable. 2. Start slow, build gradually. If you're just starting, it's tempting to run as far as you can, but the key is to start slow. Begin with shorter distances at a comfortable pace. Each week, aim to increase your distance or time by about 10%. This gradual approach prevents burnout and injury while helping your body adapt to longer runs. 3. Focus on consistency over speed. Remember, stamina is built over time, not overnight. Run regularly, at least 3 to 4 times a week. It's not about running fast every time, but about showing up and putting in the effort consistently. Consistency is what transforms short runs into long-distance achievements. 4. Incorporate interval training. Want to build stamina faster? Add interval training to your routine. Here's how it works. Alternate between running at a high intensity for a short burst, say 30 seconds to a minute, and then recover by jogging or walking for the same amount of time. Repeat this cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. Interval training strengthens your heart and lungs, helping you run longer over time. 5. Master your breathing. Breathing plays a huge role in how far you can run. Practice deep belly breathing instead of shallow chest breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth, timing your breaths with your steps. Try a rhythm like inhale for 3 steps, exhale for 2 steps to ensure a steady oxygen flow. 6. Strength training for runners. Running isn't just about your legs. Incorporating strength training will improve your stamina. Focus on exercises like squats, lunges, and planks to build stronger muscles that support long-distance running. Aim for strength workouts twice a week for the best results. 7. Fuel your body the right way. Your body needs the right fuel to keep going. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet rich in complex carbs, proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated before, during, and after your runs. Consider a light snack, like a banana or an energy bar, about 30 minutes before a long run for a quick energy boost. 8. Get enough rest and recovery. Rest is as important as running. Make sure you're giving your body time to recover between runs. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night to help your muscles repair and your stamina grow. Include rest days in your training plan to avoid overtraining and injuries. 9. Stay mentally strong. Running is as much a mental challenge as it is physical. When you feel like stopping, remind yourself of why you started. Set small, achievable goals during your run, like reaching the next tree or running for 1 more minute. Positive self-talk can push you further than you think possible. 10. Mix it up with cross-training. Don't just stick to running. Add cross-training activities like swimming, cycling, or even yoga to your routine. These activities build endurance and strength in different ways, giving your body a break from running while still improving your stamina. 11. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a running app to track your distance, time, and how you feel after each run. Seeing your progress can motivate you to keep going and show you how far you've come. Celebrate every milestone, big or small. 12. Celebrate your wins. Remember to celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Running an extra 5 minutes or feeling less tired after a run is a huge win. Stay consistent, stay patient, and soon you'll be running longer and stronger than ever before. Closing thoughts. Building stamina for running is a journey, not a sprint. By starting slow, staying consistent, and focusing on your breathing, strength, and nutrition, you'll see improvement over time. Keep pushing forward, and remember, the only bad run is the one you didn't do. Keep running, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.